Spread over 500 acres of lush greenery, Wollaton Park in Nottingham has something for everyone. The park is an ideal spot for a picnic with family and friends, with plenty of open spaces. You can also hire bikes and cycle along the many trails that run through the park. For those who love to walk, the park has a range of trails that cater for all levels of fitness. Take a leisurely stroll around the lake or explore the various gardens and woodland areas. You may even spot some of the park's resident deer that roam freely in the park. If history and architecture floats your boat, be sure to visit Wollaton Hall. This beautiful Elizabethan mansion is one of the country's finest Grade 1 listed buildings, with stunning architecture and exquisite interiors. The hall also houses the Nottingham Natural History Museum, with an extensive collection of animals and wildlife specimens from around the world. For the younger visitors, the park is an adventure playground that is sure to keep them entertained for hours. And finally, for the golf enthusiasts, Wollaton Park has a beautiful golf course with 18 holes set in stunning parkland. You can spend a relaxing afternoon practicing your swing and enjoying the views. So, pack your picnic basket, grab your walking shoes, remember the kids, and come and experience the beauty of this magnificent park for yourself.